Happy fall, everyone. It is officially that time of year where we'll be redecorating my room for fall. A lot of you guys liked last year's decorate for fall with me video, so I'm doing that video again. I just have a passion when it comes to decorating my room for the fun seasons of the year. So I'm very excited to get this video started. If you guys aren't familiar with my room, this is what it looks like. I don't have any decorations up, just my normal room decor. This is also what my desk is looking like right now. I also feel like you guys have seen my room plenty of times on this channel, so I'm not going to go into too much detail with a brief preview here. But yeah, I'm just ready to transform this room into a perfect cozy fall themed space. And also, since I did do a video like this last year, I have a lot of leftover and old fall decor that I want to repurpose and reuse in this video. But don't you worry, we will be doing the iconic Target run where we will be buying a lot of decorations and stuff like that. But I just also want to point out that I will be reusing and taking out my old decor first. And that's what we're going to be doing first before we go to Target. I want to be aware of what I have before I go, just so I don't buy duplicates of things I really don't need. So let's get in with pulling out the old decor. Also, one last thing before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to. I do a lot of decorate with me videos like this on my room, and there's also a Christmas decorate with me coming in the next couple of months as well, so keep an eye out for that video. And yeah, let's just get on into it. I basically just pulled out those two fall blankets here from last year's videos from this bin, and a lot of you guys asked me where I got this bin, and it's actually from IKEA. And then in this Nike box we have all of my fall decor from last year. So I have these flowers, this garland stuff, and then I have this pumpkin candle. The wick is pretty much gone on that. I think I probably saved this because it smells so good. And then in here we have all of my pumpkins, as you guys know. I also have these lights. I know for a fact I don't want to duplicate my room from last year, if that makes sense. I just obviously want to make this new and challenge myself. Now that I'm aware of what I have, let's get on with the Target run. I think what I'm mainly looking for is obviously candles. You can't go wrong with fall candles, and the scents that Target has, they're just unbeatable. Like, you can't find anything else better than the Target fall candles. And I was there a couple days ago and I saw a whole like shelf of them, and then I don't know if I want to get a blanket or not. It's gonna have to be really cute if I'm gonna buy a new blanket this year, but I'll just see you guys when we're there. We made it to Target, and let's get on with the shopping. Officially back from Target. I didn't get as much footage as I wanted to, which I'm kind of annoyed about, but there was just so many people there. It was just really hard to vlog in there without feeling very embarrassed. Besides that, we did get the decor. You can see the pillows, and then I have a bag back there as well, and I will see you guys all inside as we do a little haul together. Hey guys. It is now time for a fall decor haul, and I'm just gonna show you guys what I just got at Target a couple minutes ago. First thing are the candles. As you guys saw, I did find the candle wall in Target, and I spent a lot of time there sniffing every single candle because I wanted to make sure my room had the perfect curated fall scent of the year. This one is Pumpkin Brulee, and this one, it smells like what it's named. The Opal House brand ones, so good. And I had one of these last year that I really liked. That was a certain scent, and guess what? I bought that candle again because it was so good. But I bought a big one because I went through it so quickly last year and I was so sad. But this one is the Cinnamon Pumpkin Muffin. It's probably my favorite fall scent that Target has. And it doesn't stop there. I got another candle. This one's more of a decorative one. This one is scented Vanilla Pumpkin. We got these little pumpkin things. These are like little decor pumpkins. They were $1 each. How could I not resist? And I just thought these would look super cute on like my nightstand here or on my desk. Then I got this little white pumpkin, and this one's like a glass, like ceramic one. So I was thinking these would all look really cute once again on my nightstand or on my desk. I don't know. And then lastly, for the pumpkin stuff, I got a mug. Possibly the cutest fall mug ever. So then lastly, I got these decorative pillows, and I think these are gonna match perfect with my gray kind of neutral bedding because of these little woven end parts here. It has like cream and gray here. We'll obviously have the little pumpkin one go in front. I'm gonna put like my orange blanket on as well. Let's get on with setting this up. I think I might start with my desk. Actually, I just changed my mind and I'm gonna do my bed first. I think that'll be really fun, and it's also gonna transform my room the most just because it is the main part of my room, and that way I can get the pillows and blankets off my floor really quickly. Decorating my bed, and here's what it looks like. Honestly, I'm really unsure about these gray pillows here. These match perfectly though. I don't like these. I should put these together. Honestly, this just looks so much better. I feel like I'm short on pillows. What if I put my white ones back on? I still don't know how I feel about this, but I do think I like the white pillows more than those gray ones. It just matches better like right here. But I don't know how I feel about the sizing just because they're literally quite the same size pillow. I just don't have anything like small like these pillows to go in between to kind of go from this size to this size pillow. I don't know. Can you guys help me out a little bit in the comments? Now I think by obvious choice, after looking at all this decor, the next thing I need to do is put this fall blanket on this chair here, and then I'm gonna put away all of these other blankets in there. Here's what my nightstand is looking like. I was able to fit the green blanket and the gray blanket in here, but I'll definitely be using this one and that one, so I have these out right now. I just need to figure out where to organize this stuff as of right now. I don't like how it's just right there and you can see it in the reflection. That just bothers me. Let's get on with the nightstand. As you can see, it's all cleared off. Here's what the nightstand is looking like. I think it's so cute. I added the big candle here just because I feel like it fits the best right here. And then I had this green plate, which I normally put candies on, but I think it looks really good with the felt pumpkins on just because it's green and it kind of gives off like that pumpkin vine kind of look. I don't know. I think that's what my nightstand is looking like as of right now. And let's get on with the desk. Desk is done and I'm kind of obsessed with how it turned out. Honestly, I don't know what this is. I have like this little stuffed animal and I decided to put this cat in here. I really don't know if I'm gonna keep it like this just because she looks like she's suffocating. But I have this little vanilla pumpkin candle here and then this other candle. I put the little 3 pumpkins here. I think they all look really good together. And then over here, I put my little fall flowers I got from last year here. And I put the old candle here. The only other things I have is the garland and then the orange lights. And I'm thinking about putting both of them in that plant back there. I still want to do something for my mirror though, and I don't know what to do. I think I might actually go to Michael's and buy more stuff. Here's what the garland looks like, and I also added some of those orange lights, but I really like how the lights look in the background when I'm like filming, and I'm sure when I turn off my lights, yes, they're definitely a lot more noticeable when my lights are off as well. I feel like my room's coming together finally, but I do want to buy some more garland or something to put around my mirror. I'm gonna go to Michael's, and then I also want to get a few more little mini pumpkins, maybe one more thing on my desk. But I feel like something's just missing. It's not even Halloween. We're not even halfway through October yet. That was like the quickest intermission for extra things to get. And what's ironic is that there was more Christmas decor than Halloween and fall decor, but I'm not complaining because all the fall decor was 50% off. Scarlett is with me right now. So first thing I got is this. And then I got more garland, and I'm definitely gonna put this one around my mirror and then tuck in like maybe this in it. And then I also got a little like sunflower bouquet thing. I got these things. These are like little leaves. I'm mainly thinking about putting this in my bathroom. And then the last thing I got was this little pumpkin. This one's like a glass ceramic. I'm gonna set up the garland and my whole mirror situation now. Let's get on with it. last bit of the decorations. I don't think I've ever been so obsessed with my mirror. It's much more intense than last year, but I kind of don't mind it. I really like it. I'm picturing like all the filming I do here in this mirror and also the photos I take in this mirror. It's just gonna be extra festive with all of these leaves. And then I ended up actually using the leaves to put under some of these candles right here. Let me show you guys the bathroom. I spiced up my shelves in my bathroom right here above the toilet. I put a lot of those leaves under here, and then I also put this pumpkin candle right here as well. That is pretty much the end of this decorating portion, and now we're gonna get on to the montage, and then after we're gonna do a room tour. But let's get on into the final overview. It is now time for a room tour. I feel like this is the 5th or 6th time I've done a room tour for this room. But here are the 2 doors when you walk in. I just have some bags here, and then I have my Air Forces and tripod and my backpack over there. My tripod is normally in that corner, but I've been using it to film this video, so it's just kind of been going around the place. And then over here, I have this pink chair. I don't know where it's from, but the blanket on it is from Target. And then these little pumpkins are also from Target, which I think are super cute. And then also, my whole collage wall right here is from Tezza. I did not print out all those pictures individually. They came in a full-on collage kit, and it's from Tezza. I get a lot of questions on it, so I also want to clarify that. Come over to my desk, and this desk is from IKEA. I've had it for so long. And then this chair is from IKEA. I used to have a pink chair. On top of my desk, I just have my phone. This case is from Casetify, and then I made this phone charm. These little pumpkins right here are from Target. This is also from Target, this cute little candle. And then these leaves are from Michaels. And then this is also a pumpkin candle from Target. This is my makeup mirror. It opens like this and lights up. I love doing my makeup in this. It's from Amazon. This glass thing is from Michaels. These flowers are from Target. And then I thrifted this vase actually. In here, I just have my LED lights, controller, and some chapstick. And then my birthday candle. I was gonna actually store this away, but I really do like how it looks with the fall decor. And I have my Yeti water bottle back here and my skylight. And then right here, I just have the 5-minute journal, another journal, and another journal. And then my weekly spread thing right here. Normally my laptop would be here, but it's actually in my backpack right now. Over here I have this hanging plant and plant holder thing, which is from IKEA, and then the leaves that are in it and the garland are from Michaels, and I think the lights are from Target. And then over here I have my whole curtain light set up. I got this from Amazon a while ago. My LED lights are also from Amazon. They're from the brand Govee. And then I have my bed here. My bed actually pulls out into a king-size bed, and this is from IKEA. It's called the Hemnes Day Bed. You guys ask all the time where it's from. My comforter is from Pottery Barn Tea. As you guys know, these decorative pillows are from Target. Blanket is also from Target. And then over here I have my YouTube play button, which I'm so grateful for. And then also a bunch of Polaroids going around it. I think it kind of fits this section here. And then over here I have my nightstand. I just have a bunch of blankets in here. The nightstand itself is from IKEA. And then I have a bunch of books right here. This Target candle. And then also these pumpkin things are also from Target. And I forget where I got this tray from. And then this little lamp thing is actually from Pottery Barn. Over here is the bathroom. And then we have the iconic mirror. This circle mirror is from Target, and the garland and stuff around it is from Michaels, as you guys saw. And then I just have another strip of the vines here that I got from Amazon that match up along here. Then I have a bunch of fairy lights that go around this mirror, and I got those from Amazon. And that is pretty much my room and how I decorated it for fall of 2022. I hope you guys enjoyed another room makeover video. I know you guys love these types of videos, and I love decorating my room, and keep an eye out for that Christmas one in a little bit. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to, and then also follow me on Instagram. I'm pretty active on there recently, and you can see a lot of fall outfit and content, stuff like that over there. And if you made it up to the end of this video, comment down below this pumpkin emoji. It's just a fun thing I like to do in my comment section, and yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!